ഹായ് ഫ്രണ്ട്സ്, പുതിയൊരു വീഡിയോയിലേക്ക് എല്ലാവർക്കും സ്വാഗതം. വിദേശ രാജ്യങ്ങളിൽ നിങ്ങൾ ജോലി നേടാൻ ആഗ്രഹിക്കുന്നുവോ എങ്കിൽ തീർച്ചയായും ഈ വീഡിയോ കാണുക. നിങ്ങളുടെ കൂട്ടുകാർക്ക് വേണ്ടി മാക്സിമം ഈ വീഡിയോ ഷെയർ ചെയ്യുക. UAE അലൈൻ ജോബ് വേക്കൻസി അസിസ്റ്റന്റ് ഹെഡ് ഓഫ് പ്രൈമറി, ഹോം റൂം ടീച്ചർ, KC ടീച്ചർ, PE ടീച്ചർ, ബയോളജി ടീച്ചർ. മെയിൽ ID jobs@gulfeducation.com. Document controller job vacancy for UAE. Mail ID hr@gardinia.ae. BMS operator job vacancy for Dubai. Visit website www.albanian.com. Civil engineer job vacancy for Sharjah. Mail ID afqa.info2021@yahoo.com. Estimation engineer firefighting job vacancy for Dubai. Company name Sipka. Mail ID carriers@sibca.com. OPD nurses job vacancy for Dubai. Mail ID ruthhrservices@gmail.com. Dialysis nurses job vacancy for Abu Dhabi Align. DOH, MOH, DHA eligibility. WhatsApp number 05458222126. Biomedical engineer job vacancy for Abu Dhabi, specialized in dialysis, CSSD and laboratory department. Mail ID MECHELLE_BALITANLI@hospinoram.com. Company name Serview. Cleaning supervisor, multi-technician, CCTV operator, chiller technician. Job vacancy for UAE. Mail ID hr@serveu.in. FM coordinator Dubai job vacancy. Fawaz company. Mail ID ae.recruitment@fawaz.com. Qatar job vacancy. Interview from India. Facility project manager. Salary scale 13,000 full package. Contract 3 years. WhatsApp number +91 9567140043. Mail ID jobs@swan.qa. Serview company. UAE job vacancy. Security guard, multi-technician, chiller technician. Mail ID hr@serveu.in. Vanch consultant for all kinds of oil field job vacancy for India, UAE, Qatar, Oman, Kuwait, Bahrain and Saudi Arabia. Mail ID info@vanshconsulting.com. Male nurses job vacancy for Qatar. Contact number 056326310. Mail ID suhailshashab@gmail.com. Job vacancy for Qatar housekeeping, cleaning department. Total number 3250 cleaners. Mail ID recruitment@fmm.qa. Urgent required for Kuwait. Delivery man 140 KD plus food and accommodation, medical and transport. Mail ID HR Dubai Jobs 282@gmail.com. ELV Project Manager job vacancy for UAE, Abu Dhabi. Mail ID amar@ignitselection.com. UAE job vacancy Senior General Accountant, Accountant, Junior Accountant, Receptionist, Sales Manager, Property Consultants, CRM Officer. Mail ID recruitment@kleindinst.ae. Admin Secretary job vacancy for UAE. Mail ID jobs@detik.com. Trailer driver job vacancy for Saudi Arabia, Dammam. Interview from India. Mail ID santosh.flk@gmail.com. Contact number +91 9910203019. MEP Design Engineer for MNC Bangalore, India. Qualification degree in MTech or Electrical Engineering. Mail ID anil.gupta@raktech.co.in. Contact number +91 7827530364. System Engineer job vacancy for Abu Dhabi. Mail ID recruitment@accelhrc.com. Urgent record for UAE. Electrical Supervisor, HVAC Supervisor, ELV Supervisor, Civil Supervisor, BMS Operator, HVAC Technician, Electrical Technician, Mechanical Technician, Storekeeper, ELV Appliance Technician, Civil Technician, Maintenance Helpers. Mail ID recruitment1@the-maintenance.com. WhatsApp number 050797037. SAS Business Development Manager, Real Estate Management, Dubai, UAE job vacancy. Mail ID tom@emirattalent.com. Real Estate Analyst job vacancy for Dubai, 2 to 4 years experience. Mail ID lara@hoyamal recruitment.cos. Salary scale 18,000 to 22,000 per month. Qatar job vacancy Shutdown Project Safety Officer. Interview from India, Kochi. Interview through online Microsoft Teams. Dynamic Staffing Services. Mail ID oby@dss-hr.com. Required Safety Officer 17 numbers. Network Engineering Manager job vacancy for Dubai. Mail ID it@legacyemirates.com. Dubai job vacancy multi-skilled technician, electrician, HVAC technician and plumber. Mail ID arun.kumar@radisson.com. Mauritius job vacancy recruiting from India. Operation manager 4 numbers, country head 4 numbers. Mail ID hr@teamsgroup.in. Mail ID +91 75677 67750. PRO jobs for Abu Dhabi, only for Oman nationality. UAE driving license must. Work location Abu Dhabi, salary scale 6,000 per month. Recruitment at abcrecruitment.in. Project manager job vacancy for Saudi Arabia, Riyadh. Mail ID kajal@legacyemirates.com. Design engineers for UAE. Engineering manager, process engineer, water and supply, drainage, process engineer, safety, mechanical engineer, static, HVAC, mechanical engineer, rotating equipment, electrical engineer, piping engineer, SCADA and telecom engineer, material and CP engineer, civil structure engineer, control and automation engineer, analytics, laboratory engineer. Mail ID resume@exidasp.ca.